In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable Salesforce Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, in a few simple steps. If you're looking to simplify your login process or troubleshoot issues, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and break this down so it's easy to follow. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Setup section in Salesforce. Think of this as the control center for all the customization and configuration you need for your Salesforce environment. To get there, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Setup. This is your gateway to all the administrative settings you might need access to. Once you're in the Setup area, look for a section labeled Profiles. Profiles in Salesforce determine what users can see and do within the platform, so it's important to select the correct one. You can find profiles by typing it into the Quick Find box on the left-hand side. This is a useful feature that helps you quickly locate settings without having to scroll through endless menus. After you have located and selected profiles, you will see a list of all available profiles in your salesforce.org. Take a moment to identify the profile for which you want to disable MFA. Click on the profile name to open its settings. This will bring up a detailed view of all the permissions and settings associated with that profile. Now, move your attention to the section titled System Permissions. This is where a lot of powerful settings reside, including those related to security and access. Click on System Permissions to expand this section, revealing a list of checkboxes that control various permissions for this profile. Next, you'll want to click Edit to make changes to the settings. This allows you to modify the permissions associated with the selected profile. Once you are in edit mode, scroll through the list of system permissions until you find the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication for user logins. This is the setting responsible for requiring MFA when users log in. To disable MFA, uncheck the box next to Multi-Factor Authentication for user logins. This will turn off the requirement for users under this profile to use MFA when they log in. It's a quick change, but be sure to consider the security implications of disabling MFA, as it is an additional layer of security that helps protect user accounts from unauthorized access. Finally, once you've unchecked the box, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This will apply the changes you've made. It's always a good practice to double-check that your changes have been saved correctly. You can do this by navigating back to the profile and verifying that the MFA option remains unchecked. And there you have it. That's how you disable Salesforce MFA. Remember, while disabling MFA can make logging in a bit easier, it also reduces the security of your account. Always weigh the convenience against the potential risks, and consider discussing with your IT team if you're unsure about making this change. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.